In a dramatic political development, the DMK today withdrew support from the UPA and also, in fact, went a step ahead, ruled out outside support to the government as well. Succumbing to pressure on the highly sensitive Lanka issue, Karunanidhi did play to popular Tamil sentiment, but also allowed his party space to reconsider its decision if the government gave in to its demands. The key question then, is Karunanidhi going to reconsider or will he live up to the stand that he's chosen to take today?
இன்று மாலை ரயில்வே டேராக இருக்கிறது, நாளைக்கும் இருக்கிறது, 21ஆம் தேதிக்கு முன்பும் இருக்கிறது.
At 11 a.m., the DMK chief making this announcement that the party will withdraw support to the UPA government. Closing all doors but one, DMK chief M. Karunanidhi saying if the parliament passed a resolution in India, he would reconsider his decision of pulling out of the UPA.
இந்த முடிவை மறுபரிசீலனை செய்வீர்களா?
நேரம் அதிக இருக்கிறது. இன்று மாலை ரயில்வே டேராக இருக்கிறது, நாளைக்கும் இருக்கிறது, 21ஆம் தேதிக்கு முன்பும் இருக்கிறது. அதற்குள்ளே பாராளுமன்றத்தில் நாங்கள் எண்ணியவாறு இந்த தீர்மானம் அறிமுகப்படுத்தப்படுமையானால், விவாதிக்க அளவுக்கு கொண்டு வரப்படுமையானால் நாங்கள் இந்த கருத்துக்களை மாற்றிக்கொள்ளவும் தயாராக இருக்கிறோம்.
But does this mean his demands on the UN resolution are off the table?
Resolution has diluted like anything, and we are also not going to support it over there. And the government of India should have it should be in the leading first from the beginning. Now that it has not done that, at least the one and only way left out is for India to pass an independent resolution on its own in the parliament.
While Congress sources say that the party is open to moving a resolution against Sri Lanka in the parliament, the BJP will not support it.
UPA government has become a lame duck government, a real lame duck government.
So the government will struggle to get any resolution passed. But will Karunanidhi be willing to make peace?
We are sure of our numbers, and it's on that basis that I am saying this, that the government is perfectly stable and there is no cause of any concern to anybody.
There could be a possibility of a reconsideration and a watered down position of the DMK. The UN resolution is not what they are talking about anymore. It is only the parliament position that they are talking about, and that is something that the Congress could appease them.
What Mr. Karunanidhi has thrown a tantrum is a catch before 21st, because the Indian representative Mr. Dilip Sinha is in Delhi. How can they vote with the US now? It is not possible. Impossible for UPA government. That is why Karunanidhi is putting a hot bargaining.
With sources saying that backdoor negotiations are on between the DMK and the government, it remains to be seen if the DMK chief will reconsider his decision. Bureau Report, Times Now.